Well, a lot like Chadwick, I really don't go for unboxing videos, but of course it comes in a box and more importantly, it has these detail parts ready to attach at a later date. The model itself is a Bachmann. There we are, and the detail is there for you to see. 00 gauge LMS 50-foot inspection saloon car in British Rail, blue and grey, weathered by TMC and pre-owned. But it really is a beautiful model. I can't begin to tell you, and the filming now won't actually show you just how well this model is detailed and how well it looks. It really is superb. Of course, sometimes the cause of our derailment is quite obvious, but it isn't always so.
Yet again, these lovely CDA wagons were rolling along really well when this happened and they came off the rails. Not for the first time. But is there an underlying cause? Have I missed something? Is there something I can do to prevent derailments? Or...
Hello everyone, welcome back to St Blazy Model World. I'm Roger. It's time to take a look at the toolbox. Let's do the toolbox tour.
Hi everyone and welcome back to St Blazy Model World. I'm Roger. It's been a fabulous year for me and a fabulous year for my channel. Subscriber numbers are creeping up towards the magic 1K mark. But more than that is the interaction. You've been great this year with your comments, your response to my community posts in my polls and other items. And I really do want to wish you and all of your loved ones a really Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. In 2024, lots more to come. We've got more, of course, on the 00 gauge exhibition layout that I'm building. And with that, at the client's request, comes a Digitrax control system. That's new to me because my 00 gauge layout, which never goes on the channel, that's a power cab system. So that might make for one or two interesting comparison videos. We'll see you in the new year. Stay safe, everyone. Bye for now.
Hi guys, welcome back to St Blazy Model World. I'm Roger. Hattons are closing down. 2023, it seems, was the last Wally exhibition at the NEC. We need to gather our thoughts here and take a breath. It's not out of control. It doesn't mean the end of our hobby, as I've seen on some YouTube channels earlier today. When you're building a diorama like this, it really is important to create the 3D effect. So we've got hedging at the front of our diorama, a road, a little bit of a hillside, a few scenic additions, such as the people at the bus stop. Then we come along to our bridges and our river. And, of course, finally, we've got the railway, which is just here at the back, and a back scene. All of these things together really do create a realistic effect and diorama. Have some fun, have some time to experiment. You won't get it right first time, but if you don't, so what? Nobody need ever know. And don't forget that most of this stuff could be recovered to use in a diorama once you've finally learnt your craft. Having purchased this longer version from Horns and Whistles Workshop, I'm immediately ready to go with locomotives of any size, as I said in the introduction, including steam locos that have tenders with pickups on them. And that's definitely an advantage as well. Hi, welcome back to St Blazy Model World. I'm Roger. These days you can buy all sorts of gadgets to test that you have track power. Here's just one example. But exactly how much power do you really have? And for that, you really need to turn to a multimeter. It's quite sophisticated, and it even comes with a temperature probe. But you don't have to spend that amount of money. For less than £10 sterling, you can get a multimeter that will tell you exactly how much track power you really have. Now, in nothing like their final positions, of course, we're starting to get a bit of a feel for how this layout, or this board at least, might actually look once it's complete. We've put the bridge in, laid down a couple of tracks. We've got our Royal Mail train there waiting to be raided. And in the background sits the church. And on this sad occasion, a funeral appears to be taking place. So here's a range of scenic scatterpots that you've already got, you just don't realise it. Stay safe, guys. We'll see you next time at stblazeymodelworld. Bye for now.